So this is 2017 Mazda CX9. So we will be replacing lower control arm for this car. So the leg part already. So actually I did already the one on the driver's side. I'm gonna show you how to do the one on the passenger. Okay. Alright, so in removing the lower control arm, you just need to remove one bolt in here. This is number 14 right here, and I think this is number 17 to number 17, and then there's one here. I think this is number 19, somewhere over here. Alright, so we'll start removing the one in here. So this job you have to use power tools, otherwise it's gonna be tough to do it. See that? Ooh. That's number 14. Right. Let's put in here. Now we need to over here. Okay, so I've been using this Milwaukee, but still the bolt is stuck. Tried everything I can, it won't turn. So as you can see in here, it's really stuck, it's rusted. So what we are going to do is we will be using a blue torch, my portable blue torch in here. Here. That. Yeah, just try to heat it up. Okay, let's try it. Let me heat up more. Alright, so I've been struggling removing this this bolt. Look at, it's even bent. So my plan is to remove the whole thing, and I'll do it in here. It's already round head, it's really stuck, so I'm gonna remove the whole thing, this knuckle spindle, and then I'm gonna do it in here. So I had like, because I'm having really hard time to hammer it this while it's connected into this strut. Okay, let's do that. Alright, so I already removed the CV axle, I mean disconnected it, and this is the one that we are trying to remove. I'm not gonna try to do it in here. Now we have the space to hammer it. And I can use my alright, I think it's way better. Okay, let me just do this and try to hammer it because I had enough space now. Okay. See that? Oh, I made it. Look at. Okay, let's remove this bolt and put them back, and now that's it. We can remove this lower control arm. Alright, at last. It's already been removed like that. Whew. And then just tap it. Oh, good man. Alright. Okay. Let's put this back and then remove this by using this. Let's put them back together. Okay, let's remove the ball joint, or the ball joint. We're using this. Separate them. See. All right. It's almost. Look at that. See the gap already. We need one more of this. Right, that's it. I think that's good enough. That is already a gap. Now let's just remove these 3 bolts in here, and that's it. Alright, so first let's remove this. We're using, I think this number 18 or 19. This number 19. Let's move that. Then over there, we're removing 2 of those. Alright, so I removed those 2 bolts. This one goes, the longer one goes in here, and then the short one goes on the other side. Alright, now we can remove the lower control arm. Alright. Alright, perfect. Whew. That's it. The hardest part is this, removing this one. The rest is just, you know, just okay. Alright, so I think I'm not gonna show you anymore how to put it back, because it's just simply putting all those bolts. Alright. Alright, so I already put in the new lower control arm. That's the new bolt. That's the hardest one actually to remove. The rest is just fine, as long as you have this Milwaukee. Alright, that's it.